Hello and welcome to my channel of investment and income. Hope everybody is well and everybody is taking care. I have received some inquiries regarding HDFC. Now HDFC, as the name stands, is basically a financer, home financer. We cannot say it is just for home finance. It is an property finance company. HDFC has a very good management and it has a legacy of Mr. Deepak Parekh, one of the finest bankers, eminent personality regarding finance and superb skills with management. He has left a team and a system wherein it, as per my formulation, this company falls into a Khandani management, HDFC, and to the best of my knowledge, it is the HDFC Bank is a subsidiary of HDFC. Both companies, we know where it has taken the shareholders' wealth in the last 20 years. Now coming back to the point, my emphasis basically and mostly is always based on the price movements, the technicals. The technicals is just a name just given by people who are observing the price movements. But the price, as I have experienced and I am teaching and I have learned, price always moves in fixed mathematical ratios. Now HDFC and all housing finance companies, property finance companies have faced some headwinds because of the COVID. There was some stress on the repayment. The EMIs were getting late while people were taken the loan. I will not go much into details of the fundamentals. But after the second wave, somehow, and with many states offering SOPs against stamp duties, there has been a lot of buying of real estate. They have been dispersing new loans and their recovery of from the NPAs is also better. Now two things here go in hand. One is the housing sector, or let us say the all property sector, whether it is housing, it is commercial and partly infrastructure, because the cement companies sales has been improving, increasing, the top line profit has been increasing, bottom line profit has been increasing. So even if you take the cement sales into the infrastructure sector separately, still even housing has been consuming a lot of cement and the housing sector is still growing. Now linking with cement with the housing sector and coming back to HDFC once again, HDFC is a constant wealth creator. In some years, few years together, it might be creating less, but it has never been a wealth destroyer for shareholders, stakeholders. Now of recent, the HDFC is showing signs of full recovery. The price, bhav bhagwan hai, all the information is in the price. I always give one graph, colored graph of the price movement with detailed description, how the script is behaving and what the prices are telling you. After this video also, I will be posting one graph and details as to the movement of the price, where it had gone up, how much it has corrected, how much it has rejected, and now where it is likely to go. So for those who are querying for the HDFC, or for those who want to even invest right now, management wise it is a safe company. Commercial wise, looking at its present valuations and the price movement and all, I think it is right now giving a very good trading investment opportunity.